Hello all, Aaron here, out again on the beach. I'm not out with the Simplex today. Today I am swinging the Vanquish 540. If you want to see how I get on the beach with this machine, stick around. First of all, we're going to do a quick unboxing. Okay, so here it is then, the latest edition from MINELAB. This is, as you can quite clearly see, the Vanquish 540. This is the premium pack. This is not the Pro pack. So this isn't the pack that has the headphones in it and everything else, but it is the top model in the Vanquish line. So, just having a look at some of the box art we got here. Shows you got coin mode, relic mode, jewelry mode, custom as well. Some of the things that we've got going on here was this multi-IQ, beach advantage, was that maximum beach performance? Well, we shall see about that because I will be taking this out to the beach. Pinpointing extreme precision, 12-inch coil, which is lovely. Iron bias, more treasure, less trash. Again, we're going to be putting that to the test. We shall see if that's true. Red light backlights. Red LED, sorry, backlight, low light vision. Okay, lovely stuff. What else we got here? Deep, lightweight, compact. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, cool. So it is waterproof on the coil. The coil is waterproof. This bit is not. Water resistant with the included rain cover. So again, it's like a Garrett Ace 250 basically, or 300, 400i, whatever. And it does actually look very similar to it as well. It's okay if it wears a little rain cover. If it doesn't, that's it. This is going to get ruined. Be careful when you're taking it out. Obviously in England, where we get a lot of rain a lot of the time. Be careful. What else we got here? Okay, so we've got park mode, field mode, beach. These aren't actually modes though. These are the modes. But I'm guessing these are places you can use it. I will be using it in these. Hopefully that one as well. It's spring detectable. If you go in, I'll see you there. What else we got on the box? Not a lot on that side. A little bit down there. A little bit down there. What's on the back? So have a look at the back. Right way around, Aaron. Does help. There we go. So, find more faster. Okay, yeah, revolutionary multi-IQ delivers speed, depth, precision, precise identification of all metals across all soils. Okay, more treasure, less trash. I'm hoping so, because I find a lot of trash. Turn on and go. Beg pardon? Yep, turn on and go. In seconds, Vanquish auto selects the best settings for your soil. No need to choose frequencies or ground balance. Audio control as well. Automatic noise cancelling, lag-free audio response, 10 volume settings. Put you in control. Pack and carry. Okay, unique collapsible snap lock system. Makes it easy to go. Okay. So, multi-IQ. This is something that has intrigued me. Now, by the way, this was not a freebie. This wasn't handed to me by LP or by MINELAB. I paid for this. This is mine. I bought this from my own pocket, my own hard-earned cash. I paid for this. This was not a freebie. So what we got here? Why multi-IQ? Because the MINELAB's revolutionary multi-IQ technology, you've got the combined power of multiple detectors in one, all working for you at the same time. Simply turn on and go. Nothing goes undiscovered. No terrain is off limits. Silver, gold, or jewelry. Park, field, or beach. Unearth the power of Vanquish with multi-IQ. Okay, so enough of the nonsense. Let's have a look at what is in the premium pack. Okay, so yep, let's just get rid of that. That's my invoice. Right, so we've got some headphones here. Some lovely little MINELAB headphones. These are wired because the premium pack does not come wireless. It is a wireless machine, but it does not come with wireless headphones. So that's nice, that's good. It's good that it's come with headphones. here we go, code of practice for detecting, just in case you didn't know. We've also got, let's have a look, we've got the cover, little rain cover so we can take it out when it's wet. Again, little instruction manual, should be having a little look at that. Strap, batteries in here, I can get them out. These are rechargeables, look at that. That's quite nifty, isn't it? That's handy, having some rechargeables. And it comes with a USB connectable recharger. So, yeah, if you've got like a little phone charger, plug it in, boom, away you go, rechargeables. And if these are flat in the field, I suppose, you can just pop in normal AA's. Right, what else have we got? There it is itself. Spongy. Nice. Okay, so we've got the top arm stem. We've got, oh, that feels nice. That's nice. That's rubbery. I like that. It feels, yeah, feels nice and solid. But you can't escape the fact that it does look like a Garrett. It really does look like a Garrett, you know, with the layout here and the way it is and everything else and all that, and the way the batteries pop in. It does look like a Garrett. But obviously you would assume that this is going to outdo the Garrett. Just looking at that, little snap connectors. Lovely stuff. Now in here somewhere also, there it is, there's the bottom stem. Yep. Nice. Ribbed for her pleasure. And, also, we've got, I can get to it, we've got the coil, which, oh man, really? I'm going to try and do this to get it now. Okay, let's quickly do a jump cut. And I looked in the box and I thought, I've only got one side. Where's the nut that goes on the other side? Of course, goes through and it screws in there, doesn't it? See? Just screws right in there. So that's okay. That's lovely. Everything's there. For a second there I thought I wasn't going to be able to use it. Right. Let's speed this up while I quickly build it. Done. Right, there we go. There it is. All complete, ready to go. Obviously minus the headphones, the batteries and the little cover. So, next video, I shall be heading down the beach with this, giving it a whirl and seeing how we get on. Okay, so here we are then. We're on the beach now with the Vanquish. As I say, this is a wireless machine, but I did not get the pack with the wireless headphones. I couldn't really justify it for the price. And as this is something I bought myself out of my own pocket, I thought I can always get Bluetooth headphones at a later date, because this unit will connect to a variety of Bluetooth headphones. They're not limited to MINELAB headphones, which is a nice thing, good selling point. Okay, so I'm going to be rocking these today. Okay, well, let's see how we get on. Right, let's turn the machine on. There we go. Lovely. In coin mode. I'm going to keep it in coin mode. Sensitivity, take it 1 from top. Let's see what else we got. Totally new to this machine. I do not know it whatsoever. All I know is what I've seen, like yourself, on YouTube. Okay. Well, let's keep it. Actually, no. Let's put it in. There we go. We'll put it in jewelry mode. That way, I'm only discriminating out the iron. Yeah. Keeps everything else in. All right, let's give it a go. Alright, I've walked a couple of feet and I'm straight in with the signal just here. Coming in at 20, 21. I took the first top of the soil off, the sand, took the first scoop out, because it was a little bit of a broken signal. Couldn't really, you know, it wasn't a two-way signal. It was going one way but not the other, so again, it's still quite a iffy signal, so let's have another scoop out of there. Yeah. Right, that's what it was. It's a flipping tent peg. So now the iron bias is coming in, or the pure discrimination is coming in. Look, and it's now not picking it up. But in there at depth, I mean, it was a decent depth. It was picking it up. So yeah, there's something to get to used. Need to get used to the machine, because obviously that was picking that up down there, but it certainly wasn't worth digging. No. Right. Okay, next one here, just cleared it up a bit. $11 and $12 there. Fair bit of depth, either that or it's small. See what it is. Here we go. Yeah, here we go. Beaver tail. Bugger. Right, got a solid 11. Nope, 11, 12. Changed its mind. Thing is, though, I do not know what an 11 or a 12 is on the Vanquish, or the Equinox, anything like that. So let me know. Would you have dug the 11 or 12? I'm suspecting maybe not. Let's have a look. What we got in here? Oh, interesting. Little coin. I'm guessing that is a 5p. There you go. 5p, solid 11, jumping to a 12. 5p. Okay, solid 18, 19. Would you dig that? Would you dig an 18 or 19 on the beach? Or even in the parks? Because obviously I don't know what that is. Not on this machine. Not on an Equinox or a Vanquish. So I got it. Okay, let's assume I've got it. Oh, cry out loud. Okay. What are we looking at? What are we looking at? I'm guessing it's that bit of tack there. Yeah. Just a bit of tack. Just a bit of tack that time. Okay. Got another 11 down here. Although it seems to be a slightly bigger target than the 5p. Okay, got it out, let's find out what it is. Ah, there we go. It's another coin. And again, it's 5p, I reckon. You just see that? Yeah, it is. It's another 5p. So there we go. So already I know that an 11 or a 12 is a 5p. Okay, so we've had a couple of 5p's, bit of temp peg. This was just an initial run off down the beach, check it out and see how we got on. That was all this was. So there we go then, Vanquish 540. That was just a little test, like I say, just a few holes, just a little 10-15 minute hunt down here at the beach, just to give it a little run out. Been waiting in all day for it. I wish I had a bit more time, but there you go. So initial thoughts. The build quality is brilliant. It's really, really solid. It slides together nice. It feels good in your hand, you know. It's a good, solid built machine. It does look cheap. My wife, when she walked in and first saw it, she said, "That looks cheap." Yeah, it does look cheap. You know, they've obviously tried to cram as much of an Equinox as they could into something as cheap as possible. And, you know, for that, you're possibly getting a very good machine. Not the best looking machine, but still a good machine. So, and plus it comes with quite a good sized double D coil. So future videos, I'm going to be heading down the beach, running out the Vanquish here, the 540, see how we get on with it. It's going to be a massive learning curve, as I'm used to Nokta Makro machines, Kruzer, Simplex, things like that. If you are interested in the Simplex, why not try the playlist there at the top screen, or you could try the Kruzer playlist just there next to it. Also got an Ace 250 playlist there at the bottom if you want to try that, or you could hit the subscribe icon there as well. I'll see you on the next one. Ta-ra.